The hippopotamus, or more commonly known as the hippo, is a large semi-aquatic mammal that is native to sub-Saharan Africa. It's the only living member of its taxonomic family besides the pygmy hippo. We have early recordings of modern-day humans interacting with hippopotamuses, even taking back as far as 3500 BC in Egypt. Its name comes from a Greek word which roughly translates to water horse or river horse. They're well known for their thick bodies and wide opening mouths with large tusks, as well as their short stubby legs that, despite their appearance, can have them on the move of up to 30 miles per hour. They're highly social animals and can be in groups ranging from 20 to 100 individuals and are led by females.